in Fayette County, particularly our staff and students, parents, our community at large. This is another opportunity for us to reach out and communicate with you with our COVID-19 task force from Fayette County Schools. We're delighted to be here with you today and to bring you an update on the circumstances that we're dealing with on a day-to-day basis. We've had one full week back in from spring break. I trust everyone had a great spring break and was able to unplug and recharge your batteries, and we're back up and running and having full school here virtually, and we just wanted to be able to come back and share just a little bit with you. I know that things continue to be a challenge for all of us. There's an expression or a phrase that's saying a man's character really isn't judged in easy times, but it's really measured in times of strain and conflict, and we know that we have great character in the Fayette County Schools, and we appreciate you showing that to us. We're going to go around to each of our task force members and allow them to address areas of their responsibility, and then we'll come back, and I have just a few words that I want to share with you in closing, but we're delighted that you're joining us today.
Hi, my name's Debbie King. I'm the School Health Services Coordinator for Fayette County Schools. It's really important that we continue to follow the infection control measures by public health and the CDC. So continue to stay home, stay social distancing, 6 feet apart, wear a face cover when you're out in public. Public health continues to expand their testing. They are now testing asymptomatic individuals. You still need to get a referral from your healthcare provider or public health. You'll have a number that you will give them to go to those sites. We are in the school system at our meal sites checking, doing health checks with our school nutrition staff to protect them while they are doing the meal preparations and the deliveries in our system. We continue, all the nurses continue to support public health and continue to keep our community safe.
Hello, I'm Tom Gray. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for the school system. I just wanted to give you an update and reminder on a couple of things. Our meal distribution program continues from our school nutrition program on a drive-through basis. Children 18 and under or students with special needs under 21 are eligible. And we ask that you check the website for list of locations and to stay current with the current locations. The meals are available Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And on Monday and Wednesday, they're going to give you multiple meals for those days. Also, I would like to give a special thanks to Fayette Factor, who helped provide meals during a service gap that we had last week. They employed several community partners and volunteers and local restaurants and businesses, and we really appreciate the support the community has given to our students and our community. And then for our employees, our payroll check distribution will be on April 30th. And if you receive a paper check, you can come pick up the check in person between 7:30 and 9:30 a.m. on April 30th. You need to have an ID, picture ID available, and that'll be located at the Lafayette Education Center, Building A. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Erin Roberson. I'm the Director of Human Resources for the school system. And I have two things to say to our employees today. First, I want to remind you about our Employee Assistance Program. We realize the COVID-19 pandemic is causing added mental and emotional stress for many people. We want to remind our employees that the Fayette County Public Schools Employee Assistance Program offers professional support for all types of issues. It is completely confidential and it is available to you free of charge. To find out more, visit the Employee Assistance Program page at our website, www.fcboe.org. Click on the Human Resources Department tab, and remember you must be signed in as an employee to view the page. The second thing I want to tell you about is our retirement savings plan. We're moving forward with our new retirement savings plan for employees. The plan will be available in May for those of you who would like to open an account. For those of you who already have a retirement savings account with one of our other vendors, you will be able to continue contributing to your current plan through June. Be on the lookout for more information about the new retirement savings plan and how it can help you save for your retirement. We appreciate the dedication and hard work of our employees, and we will continue to provide updates as our situation evolves.
Hello, I'm Mike Sanders. I'm the Assistant Superintendent of Operations. Just a couple of things. We're at the point in time of the school year now where we need to begin getting the schools ready for the summer and all the work that has to take place over the summer. We've spent the last month working on making sure that the schools are disinfected and as clean as possible, but we still have a lot of work to do over the summer. So we've been working over the last week and a half with principals of all the buildings to develop a plan to get staff back into the buildings so they can clean their rooms out, take things off the wall, retrieve personal belongings, as well as gather up any student personal items that they might have left in their classroom or in their lockers. So over the next week or so, you should receive communication, both staff as well as students, from your building level principal on the plans that they have developed in bringing back staff, and then at a later time bringing back students to make all of this happen in a way. We will keep in mind all of our social distancing, requiring our employees or any personnel, anyone coming into the buildings to wear face covers as well, maintaining the 6 feet apart, and no congregating during the times that they're together. So we look forward to working with our principals to make that happen, and look forward to seeing you all soon. Thank you.
Hi, this is Julie Turner, Assistant Superintendent for Student Achievement. Students and teachers should be a week or more into the schedules that were established for virtual learning, which provide some time for teaching and learning, as well as some time for students to get caught up on their work and for teachers to meet, collaborate, and do professional learning. Prioritized standards have been pushed out to all teachers. This will help teachers focus on what's most essential for teaching and learning for the remainder of the school year. Also, if you have any questions about grades, grading practices, or report card grades, please contact your school principal for further clarification.
Hello, my name is Jim Farmer. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for Fayette County Schools. Just wanted to give you a couple quick updates and some refreshers as well. First and foremost, technical support and professional learning support are available from the Technology Department and the Digital Learning Department. For our staff and students in need of technical assistance, for staff and teachers, administrators, and support personnel, if you would fill out an Incident IQ ticket in that platform, and the Technology Department will be able to reach out to you as quickly as possible and provide support. For our students, we have a Chromebook support area in the back of the D building at the LEC complex, which is available from Monday through Friday, 10 to 2 every day, to come by and drop off your Chromebook for repair, or we can provide you a loaner as needed. We're also very aware that there may be some issues with internet access for some of our students. So if you're having issues with internet access and not being able to access the learning resources that you need, please contact your school administration, and they will work with our department in technology to best meet your needs. Lastly, just wanted to mention there are, obviously in this time of virtual environments, there's lots of concern about safety and security. So I wanted to mention the virtual learning website that we've put out for our staff and teachers especially. Some great resources on there for teaching in a virtual environment and following some safety protocols. In the virtual learning resources section of the virtual learning site, If you scroll down that page, one of the very first links takes you to a blog post about implementing safe and secure virtual learning through the Zoom platform, which we're still currently utilizing. And I think it's got some really great tips and features in there, and Zoom has enhanced the way they have improved their protocols, and it's a much more secure and robust platform now for us to utilize. And lastly, I just wanted to mention a big, huge thank you to our teachers, our parents, and our students for all the hard work that you're doing. I know we're all facing lots of challenges during this time, but I wanted to give you a big, huge thank you for everything that you're doing and how hard you're working during this truly unprecedented time.
I certainly would like to mention that our Public Information Officer, Melinda Berry Dreisbach, is helping to put these video clips together, and we're very appreciative of her excellent work in that regard. I want to thank all of our COVID-19 task force members for their extra time and energy and effort. They've done a phenomenal job. You know, in a typical school year, most schools and school districts in Georgia would be kind of looking at spring break being in the rearview mirror. We would be knee-deep in the assessment process and milestone exams and end-of-year tests and AP exams and all those things, and really heading toward the final year end with lessons and celebrations that mark an amazing end to the school year. But I think, as we all know, 2020 has been anything but typical. And we're in a position that we're needing to continue to stay focused as we move forward. First, I think I need to also say and celebrate and thank every educator, every employee, parent, every student, every community partner. I know Mr. Gray mentioned Fayette Factor in stepping up and helping to participate in our food distribution project. Thank you to everybody that's serving the needs of our children, of our students in every way possible. Unfortunately, this current crisis is not over, and we still don't see that end quite in sight yet. But your efforts over the last several weeks have further demonstrated our ability as a school district to practice creativity, excellence, resilience, and that work actually occurs on a daily basis here in the Fayette County Schools. But I just want to say thank you for that. I've always appreciated your dedication and your expertise, but particularly in the face of these huge challenges, I so very much appreciate, and I am truly amazed by your grit, your resourcefulness, and your tireless persistence on behalf of our children. Please do continue to keep up the great work, continue to maintain that character I spoke about earlier in the video clip. We can do this together, and as a Fayette County School District, come out stronger than ever before. Please take care of yourself and stay healthy, and we will talk to you again soon in the future.